Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. So today I will be telling you how you can add products to your Shopify store. So what are the basic things we need? We will be needing the title of the product. We will be needing a short description containing bullets. It is your choice if you want it. And we need a long description of the product and some other details which you want to show. I have taken an example product of paint brushes set. And here I have downloaded an image from a website. It is a generic product in two colors, so I'll be showing you how you can add it in different variants, as in blue color and black color. So let's get to Shopify. So we are on the home page, back end of the Shopify. Now we will go to products, click on products. Here, click on add product, and here we have the option to add our description. So let's go with the title. Here we'll copy our title and we'll post it. Then you'll copy the short description. Okay, so backspace, enter, and now it's one bullet. Enter, enter. And here we will add the long description, which is description. Yep. And we have another thing that is product application. Paste. So if I have to, yeah, backspace and shift enter to make it look clean. Now we will add the media images of the product. Upload, go to testing. Yeah, here we have the products. The main picture first, and then the other pictures second. It will second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, and sixth. Open. So it will take a bit, and now it is done within a few seconds. The category is the Shopify already caught the category and is showing art brushes in craft measuring marking tools. Leave it as it is. Here we have to enter the price. For example, we have to sell it in 500. We'll add it here. Let's, yeah, it is in rupees, so we'll do it in 500. And compare that price. For example, we have to show that we it was 800 rupees before, and now it is 500. Hover on the question mark and it will say to display a markdown, enter a value higher than your price. Yeah, okay. So it is the actual price which you want to sell, and this is the compared price. Click on the checkbox for charge tax on this product if you want to charge the tax, or and you can simply untick it. The amazing thing is you can also get an idea of how much profit you're getting. For example, the costing of this product is 300 to me. It is directly showing that you are getting a 200 profit and a 40% margin on this product. And that's great. In the overall calculation, it helps a lot. Track quantity, yeah. You have to enter the quantity. For example, I have 50 sets of brushes. It will track quantity, and when the product is got out of stock, it will stop the it will add a sold out tag. Here we can select continue selling when out of stock. Yeah, if we knew that we have product at the warehouse or any other place or from where we can buy more, we can also select this. If you want to add a SKU or SKU stock keeping unit or barcode to this product, you can simply add it UPC code or ISBN, and simply add it SK-001. Yeah, this is a physical product. Add a weight. You can usually for these light items you can add you 0.5 kg. That is standard. Okay, come that here we come at variants. For example, we have two colors, black and blue. So what we're gonna do is click on options in Shopify Dawn theme 2.0. It will show you automatically. Oh, uh, it is showing automatically the different type of options we should consider, but we'll create a custom option. We want to add colors. We can add size here. I'll do both so you can get an idea. Let's put color. Option name would be color, and the first one would be black. The second one would be blue, and done. Okay, look, it itself separates the SKU, SK001, SK002, and we can now assign pictures to the products. For example, click on it and put the black color in it. Okay, and click on it and add the blue color in it. So whenever customer click on the black option on the product page, it will automatically show the product. Now you can add different prices to both of the product. For example, the black one is high in demand, so we'll put it in 600 rupees. Yeah, and here it shows the cost per item. Profit increases here at 50%. What happened? I think the product is added by mistake. So we'll continue with it. Here we have 50 pieces, and here we have to also mention the pieces of blue product, which could be example 40 products available. So it is showing total inventory at shop location 90 available. So let's come on the right side. Product type, we can say arts and craft. Vendor, we have to add a new vendor, so we'll do any if we want. For example, if you want to add paint brush supplier, we'll add it. Okay, so on the collections, which could be done from here on the left side, we could be we can make new selection collections here. So for example, I have to add it in the new for new selection collection. So I'll click it, and the product will directly add be added in the new collection. Tags, we have to add different tags in the products. For example, we'll say paint brush, add color, paint brush. It is used to increase the search engine optimization of your product. Now, bristles, brush, and you can add any if you want. So we are done with the pro title, description, short and large description, category itself, color, black and blue, different product, different prices and stock of the products, and that's it. We are done. Click on save the product, and then we will view how our product is looking on the website. Product is saved. Let's have a preview of this product. Yeah, it is another website, so I'm hiding this part. The product will look like this. Black color, 10 pieces, main title here. Here it will show the vendor which we selected, paintbrush supplier. The product 800 we set at compare price and 600 on the actual price. Quantity we can select here, the customers, Add to cart, buy it now. Look, here the bullet points are here. For example, the main features of your product, which could be in 3 to 4 words, 5 words. For example, best quality, reduced price, nylon material, XYZ, and the main description would be here. Product applications. That's it. So yeah, let's talk about the feature functionality. Click here in the black, it is 600. When we'll click on the blue, it will show the blue brushes and the price will definitely automatically change. Yeah, here we can see the other pictures here. We can also select these in the main section, customization of the product page. I'll show you later sometime. So here we can the kind of functionality. And that's it. That's how we can add a product in the Shopify store. Thank you for watching the video. Do let me know in the comments if you have anything to ask